And that is why, even as a man of God, I stand on the altar of God and I say, by the power vested in me by God and by the Republic of Ghana, I hereby pronounce you husband and wife. Why do I say that? The land does not only acknowledge me as a man of God, but also acknowledges me as a marriage officer. This place is not only a church, it's a gazetted place or center which is gazetted for marriages, also for other sacramental obligations which the Republic of Ghana acknowledges. Having said all that, that person is going to be accountable. So we are not going to disseminate the resources, the limited resources or the lean resources of this nation to anybody, and the person forgets himself to misappropriate or misembezzle the funds that have been given unto you, because you are accountable. You are accountable as a steward of the grace of God. Oh yes, my darling, you are accountable. You are not only accountable to God in heaven, you are accountable to the life you are enjoying. If you wake up this morning and tomorrow morning and the next, you are accountable to God for that life you are enjoying. Yeah, you can't say things like you can't even continue like that. Yeah, the Bible said in Ezekiel 18 and verse number 4 that, behold, all souls are mine, saith the Lord. The soul of the atheist belongs to God. The soul of the Christian belongs to God. The soul of the Muslim belongs to God. The soul of the Hare Krishna belongs to God. The soul of the person who says there is no God still belongs to God. If this is right, then I said that anybody that has the revelation, that person is a responsible person. So responsibility becomes a number 8 thing that we are talking about. The outline, please. Responsibility. Number 6 rather. Okay, so the next going to be godliness. Yeah, godliness. We came into this world with nothing and shall also exit with nothing. If we have food and raiment, we should be content with that. First Timothy chapter number 6 and verse number 6, 7 and 8. The Bible said, for they that will be rich, they fall into diverse temptation and many hateful lusts,